My name is Mich, and I've been a student here for about 8 years, I think. And I got my master's 4 years ago. And I just keep coming back because I can't stop. I've taken almost every type of class in woodworking. I haven't taken any of the crafts like glass blowing or anything like that. It's mostly, well, all of it is woodworking. I love this place. I absolutely recommend it for anybody that loves working with their hands. There's something that you will learn here, whether it's in woodworking, cabinetry, marquetry, turning, veneer work, and some of the specialized classes that have wooden mechanisms that make things move, metalworking. There's anything and everything available at the school at some point in time. So you'll find something, whether it's a week-long, a 2-week-long course, or a weekend or a one-day class. There's always something for somebody. Always. For anyone that is interested in pursuing woodworking as a high-end craft or as a profession, this is a great place to learn the skills and techniques to enhance your talent. There's the instructors are top-notch, world famous, and the education you'll get here is second to none.